some quotation for today. It is nothing but it is only about my life concern thought. So listen, first quotation is: the total use of affection can be the understandable by the senior, but the system of God will be perfectness of the generation. Next, punctuality and the finding of the perfectness will arising from the perpendicular to the system of Thakur. Next, prove the system itself nothing but for the tendency of the God, then the finding value is almost right angle to the system. Next, love and finding will be the value of itself, God and the habitant of God will be the causing behind it. Next, let the perfectness of the female, then then of the atmosphere and other value. Next, it is the betterment of the system of God, then one can say the perfectness and solicited to the system of God, that if it can be found that fault to the system of the perfectness of Thakur. Next, old is the nature of human can nature, and a human can find it later, but love will be the resulting found. Next, the finding value of the system, then one can be the love according maybe take less their one ability. Next, though who are taking by one, then it is the betterment to atmosphere, but the value of God will be there. Next, power of a man, their existence of love occurrence, and the value of system then for other may be itself. Thank you. Namaskar.